Hello students, good morning to all of you. You take your English 1 Total English book today and open page number 26. Page number 26. As I have taught you earlier in my RD classes also and in class 9 also about the joining of sentences without using and, but, and, so, and the interchange of sentences or do as directed you have done in class 9. Now we are going to solve some question answers in your Total English book. So from the very first we have to start. Okay, so open page number 26. So here at the number C is written, join the following sentences to make one complete sense without using and, but, or so. You have done it earlier with me. So here an example is also given. Come back soon, first sentence. Second, we will wait for you. So we don't we can't use and, but, and, so, these three words. Okay, and except these three words we can use any kind of conjunction, so but we cannot change the meaning of these two sentences. We have to combine these two sentences into a single one. So what they have done it like, we will wait for you until you cannot come back. First of all, as I have until you come back, as I have told you earlier that you cannot change the meaning of the sentences. One more thing is also important, that you have to understand the meanings of these two given sentences. Okay, so let's start. Write down one by one. Number 1, Sony can score more marks, full stop. Tell her how. All of you have this book, I hope. So second question, you must be regular in your studies, full stop. You will not do well otherwise, full stop. Number 3, my son is very impatient, full stop. He never listens to me, full stop. Number 4, the thief snatched the lady's purse, full stop. He immediately fled the scene, full stop. Okay, so these 4 questions are given here to join. We have to join these 2 sentences into a single sentence. Okay, I hope you can do it of your own, but here I am going to tell the answers one by one and explain it for you. So first question, Sony can score more marks. So it is clear to us that Sony is a person, a girl, who can score more marks. And the next sentence is, tell her how. Tell her how. So we can join it like this. Tell Sony. We have to bring tell first in order to make it a beautiful sentence. Tell Sony how she can score more marks. Tell Sony how she can score more marks. So to make it beautiful single sentence, we have to bring a she here. Okay, a pronoun extra here. Okay, go to the next one. You must be regular in your studies. You will not do well otherwise. It is so simple. So we can join it like this. You must be regular in your studies. Otherwise, you will not do well. It is given here otherwise. So we can use it to join this sentence. You must be regular in your studies. Otherwise, you will not do well. Got it? Now come to the next one. Okay, I want to tell you something. If you have any kind of complications regarding these questions answers or to solve this kind of things yourself, you can comment in my channel. Okay, so you can give your opinion that how we can do it any further. Okay, so you can comment of your own. Okay, I will answer you. Okay, next, my son is very impatient. We know impatient, restless, a kind of person. My son is very impatient, he never listens to me, so that's a problem. So how can we solve this? My son is very impatient, he never listens to me. So we can make it a relative clause like my son who never listens to me, my son who never listens to me, comma, is very impatient. Okay, then put the full stop. Now the next one, the thief snatched the lady's purse, full stop, he immediately fled the scene. So we can do it like a relative clause again. The thief who fled the scene, comma, snatched the lady's purse. Okay, you got the answer. Now come to the next part of this page. So the next part is a do as directed portion. So here we got some questions and the directions are given in the brackets. Sometimes you have done, I have checked in your copies, in English 1 copies, you have done in your exam papers earlier in class 9, that is I'm telling you, that this direction, whether it is given like in bracket, begin with though, begin is this, like this. So some of you had started to write like this, begin with begin, but it is the direction, begin, that means you have to start with though. Okay, you have to start is this. Here use forbid, that means you have to use forbid this word in your new sentence. Okay, end, this torture, look here it is written as end, that means at the end of the sentence we have to keep these two words with the question mark. Okay, and we have to arrange the sentence according to this direction. So you have to understand the direction, you have to understand the what they asked you to do. Okay, either it is interchange of sentences in negative or positive, in the degrees change, either it is a voice change, it is a narration change, whatever it may be. So everything can come in this portion. Okay, now we have to understand the sentence and the direction. Okay, so the first one is given like this: in spite of having scarce resources, he fought against the Mughals. That means he didn't get enough resources, but he continued to fought against the Mughals. That is the meaning of this sentence. So we have directed here to begin this sentence with though. So we have to write like though he did not have scarce resources, he fought against the Mughals. Okay, now come to the next one. This is not the way to behave. So begin with is this. So that means the be verb is at the starting point. That means we have to make it a question. Whether there is a be verb or WH word at the starting point, then you have to make it in a question. Okay, so is this, we have to put these two words at the very beginning. Is this, so is this the way to behave? Is this, I'm writing here, is this the way to behave? Question mark. Okay, now come to the next question. His parents did not let him play with other children. That means he was not allowed by his parents to play with other ones. Okay, so we have directed here to use forbid. That means mana karna. That means he was not allowed. okay, by his parents. So we have to use this word, but in proper form of tense. Okay, we have to maintain the tense here. His parents did not let him play with the other children, so it is in past tense. That means we have to make it forbade. So his parents forbade him. His parents forbade him to play with other children. His parents forbade him to play with other children. Okay. Now come to the next one. I cannot bear this torture any longer. It's a statement. I cannot bear this torture any longer. Look here at the direction. End with this torture with a question mark. That means we have to make it a question. I cannot bear this torture any longer. So we have to take this can at the starting point. Okay, so can I bear this? Can I any longer bear this torture? Can I any longer bear this torture? Then the answer will come in a negative form, that cannot, I cannot. Okay, now come to the next question. Mohini is a better dancer than a singer. Use good. Here it is a comparative degree. Okay, comparative degree better is used, and we have to make it a positive one. Okay, good, better, best, you know the degrees. Okay, Mohini is a better dancer than a singer. So we have to use the word good, but we cannot change the meaning of this sentence. Mohini is a better dancer. That means she is a good dancer, but she is not as good as in singing. So Mohini is not as good. Mohini is, I am writing here for you, that will be better for you. Mohini is not as good a dancer as she, I'm sorry. Mohini is not as good a singer as she is a dancer. So the meaning is not changed here. I have done a mistake before because it is told here that she is a better dancer than a singer. That means she can dance well than the singing. So Mohini is not as good a singer as she is a dancer. Okay. Now next, she said, inverted comma start, if you cannot face the music, comma, I will have to, inverted comma close. She told him, you have to begin with she told him. That means it is a narration change. So she told him that if she could not, we have to make it could not because it is in past. If she could not face the music, she would have to. Okay. Now come to the next one. He was accused of telling lies. Begin with people. It is voice change. It is in passive voice and we have to make it active. He was accused. We have to make it active, and that is why we have to import an other subject. Okay. So people accused him of telling lies. Got it? Now come to the next one. Alexander conquered many countries, yet he was not happy. That means he had conquered many countries and he was not happy. Begin in spite of. Then, in spite of conquering many countries, Alexander was not happy. In spite of conquering many countries, Alexander was not happy. Okay, so you got the answers. If you have any kind of problem, you let me know. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you.